fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold heart. I know I gotta keep my shorty on go.
Alright, y'all, welcome back to my motherfucking channel, hoes. Okay, period. It's your girl, Laura Ashley, and today we're going to be making a sweatshirt to match these pants. If y'all haven't seen the video on how to make these pants, y'all can go check out my channel and subscribe while you're at it. Also, if y'all wanted me to make you some pants, check the links below.
Absolutely a hot mess right now, but I really don't care. So, before we get into this, I just want to explain a little bit about what I'm doing, what fabric I'm using. So, while I was cleaning up my room this week, I realized I had so much extra fabric from the pants. I also had several people commenting and asking me about making a shirt to match.
What? Who had been saying that? Who said that? Who said that? Who said that?
It is 12 o'clock at night, so that's why y'all, that's why I'm looking like this. I'm not getting dressed for this video. Y'all might get an intro, y'all might not get an intro. But I had several people, and y'all probably thinking, who is these several people? It don't matter. Several people was asking me about doing this. So that's what I'm gonna do. Somebody asked me to make a jacket. I had always planned to make a top, but y'all, I got frustrated, so I quit. But I'm not doing that. We're gonna figure something out. I have a few ideas. I either want to do a cross tie thing, or I want to do like a scrunchy look, or I don't know. But either way, I want the sleeves to be ruffles or like the same slouchy vibe. Just the whole vibe to match, whatever. This is not going to be a talk through. This is going to be another voiceover. But so I hope y'all enjoy this video. Please subscribe. We on the road to 1,000, y'all. We need 1,000 subscribers. About it. I'm ashy. But look, like I said, it's 12 o'clock at night. So look at these edges. First of all, let me tell y'all how happy I am to have edges. If y'all only knew, I just shaved my edges off 3 months ago. And they are coming back. Like, these look like beady beads, but I'm so happy to have beady beads. Like, you don't even understand. So let's just get into this tutorial because I'm talking way too much. Why is this the only tape measure I got? Like, I think this is still gonna work. This still gonna work, but I don't recommend y'all use this. Don't copy off me. If y'all got a better one, use that one. Now I do have a string one. I just don't know where it's at. And like I said, it's 12 o'clock at night and I'm not about to rummage through this house and have people sleep. First thing I'm going to do is try this on so we can mark how low we really want it to go and shit like that. And if we can see how the size of this is really fitting. So, okay. I want to kind of keep the structure of this and just build around it. Like, I know this looks big and like, what are we going to turn this into? But I kind of don't want to like make this too hard because the pants aren't too hard. So it's like, we need something that's simple that you can do without a sewing machine. So we're going to keep the structure of this because if y'all follow the instructions of the scrunchy pants, y'all should all have this. So we're going to keep the base of this. Session, baby. Now.
Session, baby.
Okay, so once you've made the line of how deep you want your V to actually go, you're going to create that V. And I'm using like the measuring tape for like building and shit. But I could not find my little fashion tape. So you're going to actually make a mark on both sides of the tape because you're going to cut on the line closest to the neck line already. I'm saying that a lot, but you're going to cut on that one. And then on the second line, you're going to fold over to that point. And that's how you're just going to create your own little seam. I made it kind of easy for y'all. This is how your V should look. I know it looks kind of crazy, but it's a process. Now you're just going to take your scissors and cut on the first line. Now that you've done that, you're also going to take and cut down the V. You want to do it at the very center of the V and cut down the whole shirt. But I'm also going to make this a little cropped, so I'm not cutting all the way down. If you want yours to be long, you can cut all the way down. But I want it to be some type of crop top. I don't know. Okay, now this is what your shirt should look like once you're finished cutting everything up. Okay, now you're going to take the V shape and fold it over to the second line and pin it down so that you can sew and create a seam. This is what it should look like here. Now you're just going to want to take your pins out and sew it down. Okay, so here y'all are going to see me using the straw to create a loop. The straw is about the size that I want the string to be, so that's just the size loop that I'm going to create. And then you're just going to pin it once you fold it over. Now you're going to want to remove the pins you made for the loop and sew that down. For this, I used a straight stitch pattern, not like the straight line, but like the one that's more spaced out. Just because I didn't want this to be like zigzag. I know I said zigzag helps it stay more, but zigzag wouldn't really look cute on this piece of the shirt. Now, of course, y'all are going to repeat both steps I just showed you on each side of the shirt. I just don't show y'all because it would make this video super long for no reason. This should be y'all's final result of what your base of the shirt should look like. Looking very much vesty. What's going on? Okay. Now you're going to take both sides of your shirt and you're going to want to do a zigzag pattern to connect them together. And you're doing zigzag because if you do straight pattern, it's going to have to overlay to sew them together. And one side of the shirt's loop is going to end up being smaller than the other side of the shirt's loop. And it might not crunch up correctly. So I think you should just do zigzags so the space taken out of both sides is even. And yeah. Okay, this is what your shirt should look like once it's put together. I know it looks kind of what the fuckish right now. But I swear, once you put the string in, it's going to be cute. It's going to have that scrunchy effect. It's giving very much Y right now. Okay, at this point, we're going to start making the sleeves. I don't know why I have the damn base of the shirt on. Like, I don't know why I got it on, but We're gonna start making the sleeves. You're gonna need pretty much the whole pant leg for this, because with the scrunchy effect, it does take up a lot of space. Like, it will make the sleeve way shorter. So you're gonna need to start off with a super long sleeve. So the pants leg is actually perfect to do the scrunchy effect. Okay, now you're gonna start bunching up the fabric, like kind of grabbing it in like a ripple effect. I don't really know how to explain this, but y'all kind of have a good view of it. You just want to do 3 on each side of the sleeve. Now you're going to want to take your pins out, and in whatever direction you had them going, you should have had them going straight up and down the same direction that the pants leg is already going, if that makes sense. Like, you shouldn't have had it sideways. You should have had it, I think it's horizontal. No, vertical. You should have had them facing vertical, the same direction as the sweatpants, and you're going to sew just a small straight line going in the same way. You don't want the line to be too long, because the longer the line is, the more fabric it's going to bunch up, the shorter your sleeve is going to turn out to be. And then you can just repeat this step until you're finished the whole sleeve. Okay, once you get your sleeve finished, it should look something like this. I know it's looking a little crazy, but it's going to turn out to look better, somewhat better. I don't know. Y'all comment below if y'all think this was hot or not, okay? Right now, I'm just practicing like how I want the sleeves to fit on, because I was unsure how I wanted to like connect the pieces. But I'm just pinning down how I think it would look best. Y'all can just do this part however y'all want to do it. This is my first time putting like a shirt together, so I kind of just freestyled. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and sew the sleeve on. I put all the pins in and like decided where I wanted it to lay. And on all the seams, I'm doing a zigzag, just because zigzag patterns are harder to come out than a straight line pattern. Attaching the sleeve was actually way harder than I thought. Like, I think that this part would actually be easier to do by hand rather than on the machine, because you can't really see what you're doing on the machine, because so much fabric and stuff has to be bunched up. But I actually like made like a little ruffle at the top of the sleeve as well. This is definitely not a beginner project. I really just did this for fun. Okay, so once you're done connecting your sleeves, you're gonna want to go ahead and cut the string out of your sweatpants, or you can make a string if y'all have enough fabric, but I didn't feel like doing all that. Okay, now you're gonna like stick a bobby pin into your string, or like a safety clip, and feed it through the loops that y'all made. This is a very tedious process. It took me about 20 minutes just to do this. So
making it tighter on the butt. I have no ass, so I gotta make it work, baby. This is the top. It's cute, and that's just that. I feel like y'all let me know, did my shit bang? Did this shit bang? So thank y'all for watching my video. I really fuck with y'all. Like, y'all got me 700 subscribers in a month. Like, I never expected that shit. Like, so I really want to thank y'all. So I do have an announcement to make. Why am I throwing my bun around like that? Once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I will be getting a camera. I will be getting a laptop. So my videos will be edited way better. And it's just like, I'm going to put so much more time into this. Like, I'm going to really try to get y'all a video every month, everything. So just let me know below what kind of videos y'all want to see me doing, so that we can continue to grow. So let me know below what y'all want to see. Let me know. Okay? I fuck with y'all. Thanks for watching.
Cut them hoes.